Hey guys, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans here. Been in the automobile business, been in this space for 23 years. January will be 24 years. You might as well say congratulations. You've been doing this a very long time. And if I've been doing it a very long time, that means I have longevity. That means that every time I open my mouth, I speak facts. I speak the truth. So if you're sliding by my channel and you just stop by, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so that every time I do a video, you know when I put one out. Anyway, today's video, we're going to talk about what happens if you lose your wallet. You misplace it. You want to just get on top of the situation. Get on top of the game. You know, you lose your wallet. You got credit cards in there. You want to contact your lender, your credit card company. You want to let them know, hey, I've lost my wallet. And by getting on top of that, what's going to happen is your particular credit card company is going to close that card out. Like if you wanted to tear your card up and get rid of it, even though you shouldn't, that's another video. They're going to, close that account out, close that particular credit card out so that no one else can use it. And then they will issue a new credit card through the mail, but then usually between 7 to 14 days. Sometimes less than that. So that's one way of getting on top of the situation. The second thing that you can do is that you can put a freeze on your credit report. Now, when you put a credit freeze on your credit report, you have to contact all 3 credit bureaus when you put the credit freeze on. But remember, anytime you apply for credit, whether you apply for an automobile loan, a credit card, or a mortgage, anyone that wants to access your credit report, they will not be able to access your credit report. This freezes everything up. So they won't be able to take a look at your credit report until you unfreeze your credit report. So remember that. The second thing what you can do is you can put a fraud alert on your credit report. Now, when you do a fraud report on your credit report, this automatically goes across all 3 different credit card companies. Again, all 3 different credit bureaus. And with this, you just have to do one fraud alert. Remember, it's all 3 credit reports. When you lose your wallet, I just wanted to give you some things that you could do and get on top of things when this happens, because this happens to people all the time. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you on the next video.